Today we're at the High Falls Reservoir, Twin Bridge, Jumping Rock. Got Christie here today. Series 3. Heavy there. On. I found a floppy disc. Floppy disc. What is that doing over here? A rope. Look at that. Rope. I think we got plenty of trash out of here. Check out what we got. Got a bunch of cans right here. Piece of a shoe, some plastic, glass, clothes up here.
Found Crandon Barbie's boyfriend in Crivitz.
A bunny. Oh.
And a slap wrist thing.
Oh. And that's your floppy disk from when?
3rd grade.
3rd grade, okay. This Apple Watch. See, Series 3. Fitbit right there. iPhone, some sunglasses. Bungee strap here. Someone's beads right there. A couple of lures. A lot of trash shelves right down there. Nice to come out and clean it up. Good day.
The smell of this stuff is atrocious. It's nasty. That is what nightmares are made out of.